There are many access control systems available. It can be confusing deciding on the best one. This video provides guidance on how to select the one that is right for you. Selecting the right door access control system depends on your specific requirements. Before we get into the decision process, let's start with a review of the technology. The purpose of the access control system is to ensure that only registered people can enter the organization. It provides 4 essential functions. It identifies who can enter, and it determines what door each person can use. It also defines the time each person can enter the facility. It maintains a record of everyone who is registered and keeps a list of who goes in and out. Now let's look at the components of the access control system. The access control system consists of 5 primary components: credentials, door readers, door access controllers, electric locks, and access control management software. Now let's look at each of these components. There are several different types of credentials. The credential can be a card, key fob, smartphone, or a more secure system using a biometric credential. In all cases, the ID from the credential is sent to the controller or computer. If the ID matches one of the people in the access control management system, it will unlock the door. It's important to note that the credential you select can define the type of door reader you need. For example, a door reader that reads cards differs from one that can identify a person's face. There are 2 types of electric locks. There are magnetic or mag locks and electric strikes. Magnetic locks are used in high security areas where you must monitor people's movement in and out of the door. They are easy to install but require special management if there is a need for an emergency exit. They must conform to local fire and safety regulations. The other type of electric lock is the electric strike. It is used to secure entry but does not prevent egress from an area like the magnetic lock. The strike replaces the strike plate in a standard door frame. Electric strikes may require installation assistance from a locksmith. The next part of the door access system is the controller. The door readers connect to the controller. The controller connects to the network and manages 1 or more door readers. The access control management software is an essential part of the system. The software allows you to enter all the people who can enter the facility. It provides the user registration function and enables you to manage everyone on the list. It also lets you control when people can enter and what door they can use. Now that we know the components of the door access system, we can describe how you can select the best one for your application. The first step is to define what you really need. Here are some questions to ask that will help you determine your requirements. Let's start with the credentials that you would like to use because this will define the type of door readers you require. Do you want to use cards or key fobs, your smartphone, or a person's biometrics, like a fingerprint or a face recognition? Once you know the type of credential, you can select the door reader. Some only read cards, while others can read cards and smartphones. The more expensive door readers can read a person's biometrics. The type of credential defines the level of security. Biometric readers provide the highest level of security because it's almost impossible to duplicate a person's features. Smartphones are very safe because they are not usually given to others, while a card can be lost or given to another person. There are other things to consider. How many doors do you want to control, and are they inside or outside? Do you need a simple system that only controls the doors, or do you need a more complex system that can control an elevator or the gate to a parking area? Do you want to integrate access control with an IP camera system? Adding IP camera systems to your door access control increases security. Here are some other things to consider. For example, do you want to start with one door and then add more doors and users as your needs grow? Some systems make it easy to start with one door reader and incrementally add additional doors. You can also choose systems that provide cloud and on-premises management. This provides remote management capabilities, allowing administrators to monitor and manage access from anywhere. The best door access control system is the one that meets your specific requirements. By answering the questions regarding the credentials, door readers, and management software, you can define the best system for your application. It is always a good idea to talk to an expert in access control. At Contronics, we have professionals who can review your needs and suggest the best system. For help selecting your access control system, contact us at 914-944-3425 or visit our website at contronics.com. We look forward to talking to you.